Assalamualaikum. Halo, tes 1 kopi 2. Nice. Mau nikmat sambil ngopi? Lebih nikmat klik lonceng notifikasi. Nikmat kali kalau kalian klik tombol subscribe-nya, guys. Yaps. Di Picsart ID menuju tak terbatas dan melampauinya. Yaps. Isku tutorial clubs, langsung kita gubraks. Igoy.
Okay, nice. To be text, to be behind, to be things. Text behind things. Okay, kali ini kita akan membahas tutorial tulisan di belakang objek gess.
See you next time. Nice to the instrument. Listen to Picsart ID Clubs Gubrak. Saya pamit. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Cause I don't fucking care.